This is Shadow Wolf with the gang, and his name is Nas, and that's Isaiah, aka PG Alex. I can probably link his.
Check that video right now. Subscribe to her. This is her channel right here. Little ugly dude look like a chopstick, but here go.
I am a female, and this is offensiveness.
I'm sorry.
Anyways, we've been howling, and the dogs have been barking in the background
and we're gonna
like
show you
crazy.
That. All right, look. So I'm gonna do a backflip for y'all. And here's the thing: like that button, smack. They can't see me. You already know you gotta do the intro. I'm gonna show them with the backflip. You know what I mean? But here's the thing. So I'm gonna be doing the backflip, but first you better subscribe, smack that like button. Yep. Smack that like button.
If you hit the dislike button, I will kill you.
Yeah.
Ooh, da 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 da.
No, she won't. Cause then we lose all our fans, even though we have one.
I'm sorry. I'd like to be psychotic. I am a psychotic.
Okay, shut up. All right, so and don't forget to ring the bell.
Cause look, I got
okay.
a leaf.
Forget the leaf.
Out of
all
here.
Right, I'm gonna start off with the backflip. You already know where it's going. All right, so you see we in the trampoline all the time. Know what I mean? But.
This is our favorite setting.
Guys, we should wait until it gets 8 o'clock.
I move, you little turd.
He's gonna start us off with a backflip.
Then I'm gonna do some little cartwheels. Ready, boy?
Okay, now everybody.
Okay, now let's start the howls. And also, you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Show my tail first.
Oh, look,
I've
it's
got
made
a
out of
beauty.
fur.
It's real fur.
Made of a wolf. So you can tell we wolf gang. We wolf gang.
We are the wolf gang.
Actually,
Okay.
Ow.
3, 2, 1.
You hear that? Oh wait, dude, this sound.
You guys had to hear that, okay? Did you guys not
Did
hear
you
barking
hear
and
it?
black?
Bro.
There's barking.
Wait.
They're barking.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, we gotta get that dance on.
Hey.
Hey. Oh God, it's raining.
Oh
my God! Alright, so
It's raining now.
oh God, it's raining.
It's fine. No, stop cutting with your shit.
Yeah,
It's completely
shit.
fine. It's a bit raining.
Quit politifying.
It's raining a little bit, but
Sprinkles.
you can hear dogs in the background.
Yeah.
Okay, let's let him hear it one more time.
There's dogs in the background. Do you wanna? I can howl. Let's howl all once again. 1,
We should stay on
3, 3.
2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Stop.
Oh yeah.
But
Ow!
anyways, we've all howled, and we've stirred up a ruckus.
Louder.
Prouder, louder.
Yeah, it's called louder.
Okay, put it on Isaiah now. You can hold
Hold
it while
the
you howl.
phone.
Okay. Real howl, as loud as we can.
Wait, but first, point that camera to me, boy. You already know how to do this to the woman. Wait, I can't even see your face. There we go. Now we can do the howl. Don't we do that to women, man?
Flying then.
No, we're supposed to do that to women.
3,
2, loud as can.
1. Okay, we're done with this. Wait, let's stop stop bouncing.
Oh my God! They're louder.
Do you hear that? We've stirred a ruckus.
All right.
It's amazing though. Subscribe to see more Wolfgang. We will make merch someday.
On Sunday we were going to be going in the woods too, so don't miss that. And remember, subscribe.
And we're gonna be
Give us
doing a
money,
marathon.
please, and get that view on and spread that like and hit that bell.
Good
Peace. How do you stop it?
Good dang bye, my wolf.
Wolfgang!